guys can hear that, but I think it's a Bigfoot. You can see right here, these branches are bent. You can hear it trying to communicate with me in the background. But look, all these trees are over. Look, see how they're all pulled over? No human could do that. And you can hear it in the background, look at it. Right out from the roots. No human could do that. You can hear it in the background calling out to me. I'm on the Guelph Lake Trail out near the dam. If you guys don't see this, I'm posting it right to YouTube. Know that I might be gone missing. Please notify everybody, my family. Let them know I love them. Thank you. There's nothing down the path.